Hello everyone, this is CS Divesh Goyal, practicing company secretary from Delhi. I welcome all of you on my channel FCS Divesh Goyal. So this is our second video in the series of the DPT3. The purpose of video in this series that we want to educate everyone about the DPT3 form. As we know, DPT3 form is required to file by the every company every year on or before 30th June. But every year we are receiving so many queries on the DPT3 from our professional colleague on the regular basis. So we plan to share the videos on the DPT3 on the different topic with all of you for the better understanding of the DPT3. So in this video, we will discuss about which remote button we should flag at the time of the filing of the DPT3. This is a very important thing because we should under this for the filing of the DPT3. तो हमें पता होना चाहिए कौन से रिमोट बटन पे हमें क्लिक करना है DPT3 फाइल करने के लिए. So when we talk about the DPT3 remote button, practically there are the four remote buttons. Remote button number 1 that was relating to the filing of the one-time return. The remote button number 1 was applicable in 2019 when the first time requirement of the filing of the DPT3 came into effect. As on date, if you are filing the DPT3 for the current period, current years, you don't have to select ever and ever remote button number 1. So the useful remote button number remotes for us is 2, 3, and 4. Remote button number 2, let's discuss one by one. This is talking about return of deposits. Deposit means the loan which is not allowed to be accepted by a private limited company and the loan which is not exempted under the definition of deposit. For an example, if company have accepted any loan which consider as deposit like loan from shareholder, loan from HUF, loan from outsiders, advance from customer for period more than 365 days, if any of these type of loan is there under the company, then company have to select remote button number 2 for filing of the DPT3 because these are not exempted deposits. Then remote button number 3, particular of transaction by a company not considered as deposit. All the exempted deposit will fall under this category. For an example, if company has accepted any loan which not considered as deposit like loan from director, loan from relative of director, loan from bank, loan from financial institution, loan from foreign national, loan from NBFC, advance from customer for period less than 365 days. In case of this situation, loan accepted by the company, but such loan is exempted deposit, then company have to select remote button number 3. Remote button number 2 for the deposit, remote button number 3 for the non-deposit. And remote button number 4, return of deposit and particular of transaction by not considering deposit. Remote button number 4 is combination of the 2 and 3. This situation will arise that company have accepted loan considered as deposit as well as loan not considered as deposit. Like example, company has accepted the loan from director as well as shareholder. Company have accepted the loan from bank as well as outsider. In this type of situation, company have to select the remote button number 4 because in this situation, remote button number 4 will be helpful to you. You have to select that. So it is very important for everyone to understand that which remote button is useful to you and which remote button you have to choose for the purpose of the filing of the DPT3. We will share the next videos also on the DPT3 because the purpose of this series to clear the concept of the DPT3. If you have any query, any question from the DPT3, you can send that question to our WhatsApp number 8130757966. Thank you so much.